How to recover deleted WhatsApp call history. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily recover your deleted WhatsApp call history. Let's get started. First thing first, open WhatsApp. And then from there, you can go over to call section at the bottom right. You can tap on it and you can easily find your call history here. Once you found your call history, you can just go back to chats. And then from there, if you don't see your call history, what you need to do first is long press on WhatsApp, tap on the I button, go over to storage down below, tap on it, and then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, go back, go over to WhatsApp again. At this time, you can tap on the three dots at the top right, go to settings, scroll down, find help and feedback, tap on it, go to help center, tap on contact us at the bottom right, and you can briefly tell them that you want to restore your call history. They'll ask you to do certain things like providing your information. You can do that, and they should help you get back your call history. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.